I'm going to discuss cost and revenue analysis. Chapter 8, cost and revenue analysis of your book. I'm going to discuss it. Uh, if you have not seen my previous video, introduction of cost, okay, it means chapter 7, then you will face lots of problem while understanding this video. So it is my request to please see the previous video, it means chapter 7, then you can understand it because they are connected with each other. Cost and revenue analysis I am going to discuss. In this video I will discuss you solve numerical problem of cost and revenue, okay. And also I will discuss graph, I will also discuss opportunity cost, fixed cost, variable cost, semi variable cost, each and everything I will discuss in this chapter, and I will finish this chapter in this video. Try to understand this chapter. After ending of this chapter, don't forget to share this video and don't forget to like it and don't forget to subscribe of this channel and don't forget to comment it, okay. Cost analysis, try to understand. I think you can see the full page of, try to understand cost analysis. At first I have written explicit cost. What is explicit cost? Today you will understand it. Explicit means what? Explicit cost or accounting cost and economic cost I am going to discuss here, okay. What is explicit cost? Accounting cost, economic cost. It means what? जो प्रोडक्शन में खर्चा लगता है, मीन्स those expenses जो occurred in the production is called accounting cost. मतलब जो प्रोडक्शन में खर्चा लगता है उसे अकाउंटिंग कॉस्ट कहते हैं. जैसे सपोज दिस इज फैक्ट्री, ओके, दिस इज फैक्ट्री, क्लियर, this is factory, understand. For production purpose, for production we require wages, we require raw materials, fuel, power and many more etc. That is called explicit cost or accounting cost, okay. And economic cost is what? What is economic cost? What do you mean by economic cost? Do you know what is economic cost? Economic cost is what? I am going to discuss. I think you can see it. इकोनॉमिक्स कॉस्ट में यदि आप सीए करके बिजनेस करते हैं तो साल का कितना कमाइएगा? 10 लाख रुपये. तो यह अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट नहीं होगा, ठीक है. सीए करके आप सर्विस भी कर सकते हैं और बिजनेस भी कर सकते हैं. यदि बिजनेस करते हैं तो 10 लाख रुपये साल का कमाएंगे, लेकिन जो है आप सर्विस नहीं कर पाएंगे. दोनों में से कोई एक ही काम करेंगे. यदि सीए करके आप सर्विस करते हैं तो साल का 6 लाख रुपया मिलेगा, लेकिन ये बिजनेस लेकिन हम बिजनेस करते हैं तो मेरा साल का 6 लाख का नुकसान होता है, ठीक है. तो साल का 6 लाख का नुकसान होता है. तो यह साल का 6 लाख अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट है. इट मीन्स व्हाट? बिजनेस, इफ यू आर डूइंग बिजनेस देन अर्निंग 10 लाख, सर्विस 6 लाख. If I am doing the business, then I am getting 10 lakh and I have opportunity to get to earn 6 lakh, but I am not getting it. This is called opportunity cost. This is called what is opportunity cost. Clear? Opportunity cost means what? This is called opportunity cost. Clear? Explicit cost, accounting cost, economic cost, opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. Clear? Now I am going to discuss you fixed cost. What is fixed cost? Try to understand the concept of fixed means what? Fixed cost I am going to discuss it. Rent, property, taxes, interest. Rent you are providing, rent you are giving a yearly rent of your house, interest you are giving, this is loan, etc. This is called fixed cost. Okay, so variable cost is what? Variable cost means raw materials, wages, etc. This is variable cost. Completely fixed cost is what? Suppose this is output and this is total fixed cost, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So this is fixed cost, completely fixed cost. Suppose I have hired a labor for giving rupees 10,000. Okay, I will give him 10,000 rupees per month. Then this is fixed cost. Okay, my fixed cost is 10,000 per early. Okay, so this is called completely fixed cost. Now I will discuss completely variable cost. Trying to understand the concept completely variable cost. This cost completely variable cost. What is completely variable cost? I am going to discuss you. Completely variable cost means, suppose the 10 20 30 40 50 and 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, completely variable cost. सपोज जब 10 रुपया था तो 1 यूनिट का प्रोडक्शन हम लोग करते थे। 20 रुपया में हम लोग क्या करेंगे? 2 यूनिट का प्रोडक्शन करेंगे। ठीक है, जब 10 रुपया कॉस्ट लगता था तो प्रोडक्शन 1 होता था। जब 20 रुपया होता था प्रोडक्शन 2, यानी हर लेवल। जब 30 होता था प्रोडक्शन 3 होने लगा। 40 रुपया होता था प्रोडक्शन 4 होने लगा। 50 में प्रोडक्शन 5 होने लगा। इट मीन्स व्हाट? ये फिक्स कॉस्ट, ये कंप्लीटली वेरिएबल कॉस्ट। दिस इज कॉल्ड वेरिएबल कॉस्ट। क्लियर? सेमी वेरिएबल कॉस्ट मीन्स व्हाट? ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। सेमी वेरिएबल कॉस्ट, सपोज 0 से लेकर 50 तक, ये क्या है मेरा? जो है ये फिक्स कॉस्ट है। एक लेबर को हम हायर किए, आई हैव हायर्ड अ लेबर, आई विल प्रोवाइड हिम 50 रुपीज़ पर डे इफ he will work 8 hours. So this is called fixed cost. I will provide him 50 rupees. If he will do overtime, then I will provide him 52, 54, 56 in this way, according to the time giving and according to the production. So this is called variable cost of production. Variable cost of production. It means what? And this is called total semi variable cost. Total semi variable cost. And this is total cost. Okay, it means cost fixed cost is 50, variable cost 2, variable cost 2. Clear? Total fixed cost 52. Average fixed cost plus total variable cost is equal to TC. Understand? Now understand of this topic, short run total cost, short run total cost. What is short run total cost? I am going to discuss you. Try to understand short run total cost. Okay, I think you can see it very well. Short run total cost, this is cost rupees 50. Okay, and this is total fixed cost and this is total variable cost. एक लेबर को हम क्या कर रहे हैं? 50 रुपये दे रहे हैं, तो दिस इज टोटल, दिस इज फिक्स कॉस्ट। उससे ज़्यादा यदि काम करेगा, ओवर टाइम ज़्यादा यदि करता है तो उसको यूनिट के हिसाब से जो है उसको चार्जेस और ज़्यादा मिलेगा। तो टोटल, दिस इज टोटल कॉस्ट एंड दिस इज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट। ओके, तो आउटपुट एक्स, एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू टोटल फिक्स कॉस्ट डिवाइड बाई क्यू। एवरेज टोटल कॉस्ट इक्वल टू एवरेज फिक्स कॉस्ट प्लस एवरेज वेरिएबल कॉस्ट। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एवरेज फिक्स कॉस्ट and average variable cost. This is called short run total cost. Now try to understand it. एक आदमी को हम हायर किए, 10,000 रुपये उसको हम देंगे जो है, ठीक है, 1 महीने के लिए। तो दिस इज कॉल्ड फिक्स कॉस्ट। ठीक है, यदि वो 8 घंटा काम करता है तो यदि 8 घंटा से ज़्यादा वो करेगा तो उसको क्या मिलेगा? ओवर टाइम मिलेगा, 12,000 रुपये मिलेगा। तो उसको क्या हो जाएगा? उसका यदि 16 घंटा काम करेगा तो 14,000 हो जाएगी। इस तरीके से वो आपका सैलरी आगे बढ़ते जाएगा। तो दिस इज टोटल कॉस्ट। TC is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. ATC is equal to average fixed cost plus average cost. MC is equal to delta TC divided by delta Q. Q is equal to output. Q is equal to output. Now I am going to discuss you some numerical problem. Okay, numerical problem I am going to discuss you. Okay, try to understand the numerical problem of this questions. Try to understand. I think you can see it very easily, very easy, without any problem. Now I am going to discuss you this graph. Okay, I think you can see it. This is output 0, 6, 16, 29, 44, 55 and 60. This is total fixed cost. Total fixed cost will be also always same 150, and this is called total variable cost. Variable cost is changed 0, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 30 or 300. Okay, this is called total cost. Total cost means TC 150, 200 is given. Clear? This is average fixed cost. Average fixed cost, what is the formula of average fixed cost? Average fixed cost is equal to total fixed cost divided by Q. Total fixed cost divided by Q. So our total fixed cost is what? The total fixed cost is 150. This is total fixed cost divided by Q. Q is what? 6. So I have got 25. In this way you will do it. Average fixed cost, total variable cost divided by Q. The total variable cost is what? Total variable cost is 50. 50 divided by 6. 50, 150 divided by 6. Try to understand. Average variable cost is equal to total variable cost divided by Q. So this is total variable cost. First will be dash, and this is 50. So 50 divided by Q, 6. So 50 divided by 6 is equal to 8.33. In this way you will do it. Clear? In this way you will do it. Average total cost, ATC is equal to TC divided by Q. TC divided by Q. First is dash. The TC is what? TC is what? This is TC. TC is 150 divided by Q, 6. TC is 50 divided by Q, 5.33. In this way you will do ATC. MC is equal to delta TC divided by delta Q. MC is equal to delta TC divided by delta Q. MC is equal to what? Delta TC divided by delta Q. Okay. Delta TC. Delta TC is what? Delta TC. So this is delta TC. 100, 200, difference of 200 minus 150 is equal to 50 divided by 0 is equal to, first is 0 and second is what? 0. Second is what? 250 divided by 200 is what? 50. 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. So first is 0 and 50 divided by 6. 50 divided by 6, 5.33. 50 divided by 10, 6. 50 divided by 10. In this way you will find out marginal cost. Okay. Again try to see this. Try to see it. How will you do it? Try to see. TC is equal to total variable cost plus TVC. TC is equal to 150 plus 50 is equal to 200 for 6 input. TVC is equal to output 150 divided by 6. In this way you will do it. ATC is equal to ABC plus AFC. Clear? Try to understand. Then how will you solve the numerical problem? I am going to discuss you. Try to understand the numerical problem of this question. I am going to discuss you. When you solve the numerical problem, then you can do it in a very easy way without any hesitation. I am going to solve some numerical problem for your better concept. Okay, for your better concept. Try to understand the numerical problem of these chapters. Suppose problem, you suppose units is 200 is given and cost 5,000, units change 1,000, this is 40,000. Okay, this is 40,000. How much? 40,000. Okay, MC, find out MC, find out MC. How will you find out MC? If question is given, MC is equal to delta TC divided by delta Q is equal to delta TC is what? What is the difference? Difference in 35,000. 35,000 divided by what is the difference? 800. 35,000 divided by 8, okay, is equal to 43.75. MC is equal to 43.75. Clear? 45,000 divided by 800. Sorry, 35,000 divided by 800 is equal to 43.75. In this way, you will solve the problem. Now I am going to discuss you next problem. Then your concept will be vast, and you can do any problem of the question. Suppose in question number 2, units cost 200 and this is 5,000. Now find MC. How will you find? A very easy way. We know MC is equal to delta TC divided by delta Q. Delta TC is what? What is the difference? 100. Q is what? What is the difference? 1. Okay, it means what? 100 is clear. So in this way you will find out TC. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel, and don't forget to like it, and don't forget to comment it. If you have any problem, then you will comment me in my given number. My number is 9231507316. You will comment me, or you will ask any question if you are facing any problem. Okay.